Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new subscription. We are going to be doing the Slay Glam box. This is my first time getting this subscription. I'm super excited about it. I do know everything that's going to be in here, which is why I have no eyeshadow on. I do know that there's a contour palette in here also, and it is a cream contour palette. And y'all know that I'm not really used to using things like that, so we're going to play with that off the camera. But this is what this cute little bag, or cute little box comes in. It is super cute, super adorable. They are a rather new company. They started this year in February. But I'm super excited to play with all the stuff that's in here. Hope everybody had a good week. It's fixing to be the weekend. I am recording this on a Friday, so happy Friday to everybody. And the box opens on the side. All your contents are in it. Nicely packaged in bubble wrap. And then you do get a card. Slay Glam box. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you hashtag Slay Glam box and hashtag Slay Glam box subscriber. That is what that card looks like. And on the back it does give you prices for all your items. You can get this box at www.slayglambox.com, and if you use the code BeccasSlay, you can get 10% off of your first box. So let's get in here and open these items and take a look. Like I said, everything is nicely taped and bubble wrapped, so all your products hopefully won't get damaged. And if they do, it won't be from the supplier. It will be from our great mailman. We all know how well he does with our packages anyway. So, the first thing I'm seeing is a Glam Cosmetics Clear Eyeliner. Use eyeliner with the powers from the Get the Look kit, or any pigment powder to achieve any eyeliner. And this is worth $10. So you use your eyeshadow, put this on there, and then it turns into whatever color eyeliner you want. Which is really neat. I mean, you can use any eyeshadow that you already own with this and achieve any color. And of course my dog is in here, so that would be her back there scratching. The next thing we have is a Steve Laurent liquid lipstick. And I can't read it because it's small. This is in the color Lilac. So I don't own any Steve Laurent lipsticks. I do have an eyeshadow that's a pretty teal color that I like. But this will be my first lipstick. And that is what that looks like. I like the gold top packaging. It's pretty. So it's just a nice pinky color. Today I'm wearing the Pure Hollywood out of our Allure box. And it kind of gives me that washed out look. I took the Allure, or I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and then I put the Majestic lip gloss that I got in my Lip Monthly box over the top of it, just to give it a little bit more color, but I don't think it helped. The next thing we have is a Glam Cosmetics Contour Duo Brush. So you do have the brush on both sides, which is nice. I like duo-ended brushes. And this retails for $24. This goes with the contour palette, which is right here, wrapped in all its pretty little plastic. And when you open it up, this is what that palette looks like. So like I said, I will have to play with this a little bit, just for the simple fact that it's powders. I'm sorry, just for the simple fact that it's cream. There is one finishing powder, and the rest of them are cream. But you do have your primer, your contour, you can even put the yellow underneath your eyes. And there's a nice shimmer in there. So that will be nice to play with. And this brush goes along with this. And this palette retails for $52. So that'll be nice to play with. Or it could be a complete disaster. Not real sure yet. Then the next thing we have is these are Flippin AR Cosmetics. This is the Get the Look Eye Kit. And I requested mine in green, which is another cool aspect of this box. You do get to customize certain things, which I like in a subscription box. And this is what that looks like. I got mine in Wild Forest just for the simple fact that I have green eyes and thought that would look pretty. So you have and this retails for $50. You have the makeup base. So it's just like a little eyeshadow primer that you put on before. Then there is Reluctance, which is a pretty shifty greenish gray color. And then there is this loop. Not real sure what this one is called, but it's pretty too. It's a light green. This one looks like it has a shimmer in it. Looks like it shimmers from gold to green. So that'll be awesome. And then this one is Forest. It is another, looks like a matte green. But like I said, I'm not real sure. We are fixing to play with them, so we will figure it out. I do need to get some tweezers so that I can open the top of these. Obviously, I was unprepared, which is about normal. Okay. If anybody's been keeping up with my channel, you'll know that we are growing every day. Every day we are getting closer to that 500 subscriber mark, which is great because I can't wait to give somebody the Blue Blood palette. I want them to enjoy it as much as I have. They're all pretty colors. I just got that one mixed in with the other one. So we don't want to do that. Okay. We are going to first prime our eyes. And I'm going to use the mirror out of the contour palette. Oh, my bad. There are also 2 brushes in this, which I guess goes with this Get the Look kit. There's a small angled brush, and then a small, I don't know if I would use this. It's an eyeshadow brush. It's number 35. And this is an eyeliner brow brush number 18 from Bella Pierre. So, we also got 2 brushes. I am going to use the mirror out of this palette to do my eyes. I'm also going to put this base primer on. So like I said, this is my first time getting this box, and I did know what was in here. I've been thinking about getting it for a while now, but when I found out that you could customize your items, that was a definite yes for me. I like having some kind of input on the items that we choose to buy in these subscription boxes, especially if you're a subscription box-aholic. And there are a lot of us out there that just enjoy trying the different subscription boxes that are out there. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. You save a lot more money doing it that way than you would going out and purchasing your items somewhere else. Okay, let's start with this light green. Well, she has pigment, that's for sure. A lot of pigment. I'm just going to use the same brush for the simple fact that it's all going to be green, so it doesn't really much matter. So that was the lightest green. We're going to go in with the second color green. We're just going to stick that right there. We're going to marry those two together. These are loose pigments. As you can see, I've had no fallout on my face yet. It could happen. And I didn't put a powder on top of that primer to go in and start, so it is blending. It is not just stuck in one place, which is nice. Sometimes that does happen when you don't put a powder down before you try to go in with a color. Now I do see a little bit of fallout right there, but nothing major, and it didn't stay. Again, I'm just using the same brush, just for the simple fact that it's all green. There are so many things on my desk right now. I can't wait for my niece to get here so she can come clean up my beauty room. I know that sounds awful, but to her, it's not. Okay. Now I'm going to take this brush that we use for the base, and we're going to do the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to follow the simple way that I did the top. I do like this green. It's like a goldish green. It's very pretty. A yellow, green neon. And this brush fits perfectly for the lower lash line. So that's always good when you're only using 1 to 2 brushes at a time. If you're like me, you feel like you're not dirtying up as many. And then you spend that Sunday night cleaning brushes for 45 minutes because they're all dirty. I'm going to take this brush and blend it all out one more time. I do like the greens, they are very pretty. I'm glad I went with green. But they had other colors, I mean. So, you got to customize and pick what color eyeshadow you wanted. I believe that was the only thing for this month. Spoiler alert, for next month you get to pick a lip product, I believe is what it is, which I've already picked mine. I believe it was a lip product. So, like I said, if you want to try a new box that isn't going to give you crummy items that you're not going to use, or items that you throw in the back of your drawers that you never bring out, or items that you give away because they're not something that you will actually use, I would definitely try this company out. It is my first time getting it, but from the items that I got, I'm very much pleased with it. I'm going to lighten up my brow bone just a little bit. So need to do my eyebrows, so nobody check those out. Alright, now I'm going to put on some mascara, and then that will be my finished look. Gotta make this stupid mascara face. Everybody does it. Yeah, I really like this green. It's pretty. And it goes very well with my eyes. I'm also going to try on this Steve Laurent. I'm just going to put it right over since that's such a nude color. Although that looks pretty nude on me too, so who knows? Maybe I just should have no lips. Alright. And there is my finished look. And I think it came out pretty good. I was excited to get this box. I'm going to add up the prices for this box, and we will see exactly how much we got in product. So our total for this box is $158. So my suggestion is, if you get BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I would definitely check Slay Glam Box out. Seems like they are going to bat for top 2, so I know these are some indie brands that come through here too, which is definitely okay. It's something new that you get to try that you normally wouldn't try. So for my first box, I gave it a great big 2 thumbs up, and I hope that you go out and get your own box and give them a try. The customer service is 100% on point. They are also on Instagram. You should go over and check them out. They do have a Facebook page. You can also go over there and like that. But that is my video for the Slay Glam box in this pretty little purse package that it comes in, which I think is super cute. No other company is doing this, which makes it new and exciting also. So that's my video. I hope you give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Come back and see everything I'm doing. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.